I'm gonna show you how to make your own fishnet mermaid top, perfect for a non-binary person who doesn't want to wear a clamshell bikini or a bra type top. So let's go do that. It's a nice day, so I'm gonna do this outside. Made a nice little spot, and I'm gonna put on some, I don't know, maybe a mermaid show, or maybe I'll watch Mer People on Netflix or something like that. Got my fishnet. Basically, I'm gonna use this binder top and sort of trace it with the fishnet, and then I'm gonna cut the fishnet out. And it's not really the kind of thing you can sew, but instead I'm gonna use thread to tie the ends together. And what I'm going to do next, instead of cutting out two different pieces and then sewing the tops together, I'm going to flip this over. And continue cut. RV. Now I just need to cut a hole for the head. Okay, and next I'm just gonna tie the ends together. I'm using brown thread since this is a brown material. Okay, this is really difficult because the thread's so thin and my fingers feel so fat and it's hard to see it. So, doing my best. I tied there. You don't even have to do that many ties. I tied here, tied there. I don't even think I have to go all the way down, so. Gonna start the other side. Okay, the sides are all tied together and that was difficult. Kept dropping the thread and sometimes the thread broke. It's time to try it on, so I gotta go inside to do that. I hope this fits, and I also hope that I don't rip the thread by putting it on. Well, that worked pretty well. Now it's time for an androgynous merperson photo shoot in this cool mermaid top. Oh. I just pulled this out of my tail in between my leggies. On my back. I want to stay in it.
You got it? Okay.
Oh god, there's so much sand in my tail. Oh yeah. Which rock do I want to sit up on next?